Hey guys, welcome to Ivy's Coupon Camp. And today is Sunday, 11/22, and we are doing our Sunday Walgreens couponing haul. Guess what, guys? I got 7 deals for you. 7 deals as promised, $5 budget. I think one go over 3 as low as taxes only. So you guys know when you come in, the first thing you grab is one of these that don't expire till the 28th. So we got until Sunday to use this one. Okay. Okay. So let's get out the deals. Remember, this is $5. It's one deal I think you might go over, but it's the tissue deal. You still would get money for that. So let's go. Let's hit it. Let's see what it is. Oh, and start looking for orange tags. I heard they got tons of them, which they do. Look at that. $2.49. Who is this? By, I don't know who that's by. Jordana. $2.49. If you want to fill up a little girl's cart, that'd be perfect. Eyeliner. So guys, it is orange tags all over. Let me check some of the orange tags out for you guys. So this is sold by Jergens. Oh God, let me see. $5.99. I think you could use the $2 off Jergens coupon with that. It's one on the side of the other Jergens you could use. Look at that. Water mousse. And then you got this one. So you can. $4.99 and $5.99. The Revlons are still going strong with these. Are these Revlon? Yeah, Revlon Kisses. They still going strong. See? So any coupons you got, grab them, use them. I have actually a coupon. I'm going to see if that coupon work. Because it said on colorist, I have to read it. Because if so, I'm going to come back and grab $25 worth for that with those coupons. But we'll see. I don't want to make no promises. Okay. Rimmel, I told you Rimmel was on sale. $3.99. And then there's some $2.99 bronze cover. And then you have what? That's $7. Oh, that's expensive. That's Almay. Here's another one. $7.99, $3.69, $1.99. All of those are gone. All of them. Okay. The makeup is always kind of scarce and leaving. But this would be great to build a kid, somebody that love to do makeup and nails. This would be a great time to build them a cart up. Build them a little gift basket up for it. Those, look, people who paint, these are perfect for that. Them cosmetic wedges. The lashes magnetic, $7.79. Look at that guy. What is that? Soothing body. What is it? So whatever it is, buy one at $5.99, get one $50. Boy, they shelves is empty completely. Okay, well, I'm not get that. So let's move on to our deals because we want to make this quick and let's go. If you use Got to Be for men, look, $3.99, $3.99, $3.79. I saw this guy, so I stopped to let you all see it, but that's a Got to Be product. And then the Axe hair products is right above it, which is an Axe deal for that. Then the next is the strengthening shampoo. All of these on sale. Great orange tags galore. Okay. You got Nexus. We got a $5 off Nexus. You could use that and pay $3.49 out of pocket. Okay. Oh wow. Yeah, they got a lot of deals going on up in here today, especially their shampoo and cosmetics. So Tresemme. If our Tresemme coupons is and still some good, this you can get 2 for $4. You will pay $2 for 2 of those. So $1 a piece. Great deal. Great deal. And then who is that? That's Finesse. I haven't saw Finesse in a long time. Guess I ignore it. Here's Dove. If your Dove coupons, if you have any, $2.99. Brunette, that's that dry shampoo. And here's another for $2.49. That's a great deal too. Okay. Here's some more guys. Shea Moisture, $5.79. all of the Shea Moisture, but I don't know if those coupons are still some good. Maui, all of those. See, and these are like the specialty shampoos, except Alvina. There it is, and that's new, huh? Okay. There's another set. Love Beauty and Planet got one for $1.50, so I know that's a good one. Okay. Okay, let's get on to our deal. Okay, first deal that I'm doing, guys, it is strictly assuming that you do not have any registered rewards. You do not. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab one Crest toothpaste at $3.99. And then I'm going to grab, let's see, let's hope they got the toothbrushes in here, because a lot of times they don't have them. And we might have to bite it. And I don't want to bite it, so let me see. Hold on. Okay, so the cashier said that these were it right here. They are not marked, but she scanned it for me, and these two do work. So the first deal is buy 3 Crest or Oral-B products, get a $5 register reward. Let me show you the coupon. Okay, so these are the coupons come out of December P&G. They are for $2 a piece. After you use that, these are at $3.99. $3, you'll come up to $9. You'll use 2, 4, 6 of those. You'll pay $1 a piece for each one, and you get a $5 register reward back, making this a $2 money maker. And this is the deal right here, guys. So you can buy, and if I shrink it, there is the toothpaste, okay? The toothbrush. Our next deal is the Colgate Optic White. It's at $2.99 or $2.49 with the 50-cent off coupon. If you buy 2, you get a $5 register reward. We are also going to do that deal. So we'll grab 2 of these. They say $3.99, but they are $2.99, okay? Okay, and these are the coupons. They come out of the 1122 Smart Source. The coupon, go check my coupon review video out, because I did give you some pointers on a lot of these coupons. And this is the next deal. We'll be doing the 2 off of 1 Swanson's broth. Here they are right here. I'm going to get rid of the 2 with the less sodium. Right here. Now, guys, let me tell you, I only have 1 Swanson's coupon, so I'm going to end up paying $0.25 a piece for mine. I kind of thought I went through all of them, because I do have 12 cans at home, and I end up with 1 extra one, so I'm going to grab it but you use 2 of these. This will make your deal free. That's your one freebie, so that's the third scenario. Okay, so the next deal, guys, that you could do is the Purex buy 5. They buy 5 for $10, or the Purex Crystals buy 5 for $10. Now, this is after you've done this deal and this deal. After you got your $5 rewards for this one and your rewards for that one, these will be completely free, and you will be paying taxes only. That's your second freebie. Okay, next is the Pantene. If you buy 3, you get a $4 register reward. So now this is your 5th scenario, and this is after you've done those 2 deals with the Colgate, because the Colgate and the Crest is what's going to pull you to get all of these. Okay, now you want to do that when you could take you can use $1 register reward. So this is how you will do that. You'll buy 3 of these, which I'm not gonna do this deal. You'll grab 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. That should take you to $11.97. You'll use this out of the December P&G, $5 off of 3. That'll take you down to $6.97. And then you use a $5 register reward, paying $1.97 out of pocket for all 3 Pantenes. That is your next cheap, less than $5 deal. So that's number 5, guys. Okay, guys, the next deal is the Viva. Now, this deal is good after you use these. After you did this deal, And after you did this deal, you should have $10 and register reward, paying $2 in taxes only for the Viva. Okay. Okay, guys, the next deal we're going to do, and the one that is the only pricey one out of pocket, and that is going to be tissue. If you need essentials, now they are $4.99. Buy 4, you get a $6 register reward. Now, how you would do this deal is you want to do the Colgate and the Crest deal. Get the $10 register rewards. Then you have a $5 budget already. Use your $5. After that, you got to buy 5. But you will get a $6 register reward, giving you a $1 Moneymaker after that. So you did earn your money back, okay? So you will have to get this yellow one. And then you'll get the Sherman yellow one also. Okay, so you got to remember, that's how you do that deal. That's number 7. I hope you all enjoyed these deals. Now stay tuned so I can tell you what deal I did. And also stay tuned. Make sure you tune in at 3 o'clock for the CVS scenario haul. So I'm going to do different scenarios for that one also, okay? Okay, guys, so we are back from our Walgreens haul for Sunday. Went well, but it is a error in one of the printings, and I'm going to tell you exactly which one it is, so be careful. Okay, so let's do our first deal. The first deal was the Great Oral-B. Remember, we bought 2 of these and 1 toothpaste. Sorry, guys. And 1 toothpaste. Buy 3 of those, you get a $5 register reward. I used 3 of the $2 off toothbrushes and 1 of the toothpaste, and paid $3 out of pocket. I'm sorry, guys, $3 out of pocket, or you could use points to pay it down. I also added my Swansons on today, and you guys already know I only had 1 coupon, so I ended up paying a quarter a piece for these, which was fine. Thanksgiving is 3 days away, so yeah. I added on these 3 caramels because I used some 99-cent points I had. Once I did all of that, I ended up paying $1.52 out of pocket and got a $5 register reward, which you don't see it because I rolled it. Okay, that was one deal I showed you guys. Remember, I showed you 7 deals. 7. 3 of them was freebies, taxes only. Now, the second deal that you're looking at is the Colgate. Now, the Colgate was buy 2, get a $5 register reward. I threw this in because I used it on, I think I need to get it up to a certain price. So, once I did that, I used the 2 Colgate, and I used the $3 manufacturer. I paid $3.01 out of pocket and got a $5 register reward for this one. So, now we got $10 register reward. And even if you was using your $5 budget, you could have got this one and you could have did this one. Okay, you still could have done it and got $10 back and bit $3. Okay, let's go to the Bounty. Now, you all know in the newspaper, the Bounty is running at buy 4 at $4.99. You get a $6 register reward. Okay, all of that worked fine all the way up into it until, look, bam, $3 printed, not 6. The manager believes it's a misprint in the newspaper, but she did honor it. So just to make sure she checked, she printed another one. She said, yeah, it's a misprint. So she went on ahead and gave me those 2 to make out to $6. But other than that, they're not going to give it to you. What they're going to give you is Walgreens money, which I earned a 5 off of 20. So let me show you what I did here. Okay, so that was for the Sherman and all of that, right? So you see the points. I had a points coupon, 5 off of 20. You get $5, right? So I used that. I had 2. There's my two of my $5 manufacturer register rewards from the Colgate and the Crest, and then I had a $5 register reward from last week. So my subtotal was $5.35 plus I got back $6. So I had a 68-cent Moneymaker. Still got back $6. So we all ready for next week's, guys. Stay tuned for at 3 o'clock. I will be dropping a CVS video. Same thing with scenarios in it. We are staying on our $5 budgets at this point, and I'm going to give you multiple scenarios. And we're going to get some gift sets from CVS. So 3 o'clock. I live in the Midwest. So it's 3 for me. I don't know what time. You know, if people live in other states, I don't know what time. Thanks, guys, for tuning in. Please hit like, subscribe, share this channel, and let me know if you like the fact that I did some scenarios instead of just one big video. Okay? Thank you. Bye.